That's working the video, and here is a stick. So call barring or call band is all about blocking the specific incoming or outgoing calls, whether local or international. Okay, so we just go to the call band settings. We have blocking international calls, blocking incoming, outgoing, and then a lot. Okay, so I'll take you through how you can just activate and also deactivate. But if you're new, just subscribe and like, because more videos will be coming right here on this platform. Let's start with it and let's dive in with it. Give me a like and then let's go. But one thing is, I'm just going to show you this one with phone settings. Okay, I have gotten to know of a certain code, but I haven't confirmed it. Okay, so if I confirm it, I'll let you know of the short code so that I just dial to either activate or deactivate this. Let's start and let's dive in. Okay, so just open your call app. When you open your call app, okay, just look for the settings right here. Just tap on the settings. When you tap on the settings, just scroll down, look down here and tap on career features. Tap on career features. When you tap on that one, okay, we have the MTN one, the network. Okay, select the SIM card that you want to activate or deactivate this on it. Okay, and then tap on that one. When you tap on it, okay, look for call barring. You can see we have call barring right here. Just tap on the call barring. So when you tap on the call barring, you can see we have all outgoing, we have outgoing international roaming, all incoming, and other ones. Okay, and then we have deactivate all, and then we have change password. So if you want to deactivate all, okay, let's say when you come here it is turned on, or if you want to activate anyone, let's say all outgoing call, just tap on it and then you enter the password. Okay, so mostly the password is either 000, okay, 4 zeros, okay, 4 zeros, or either 1 2 3 4, and then that will be the password. Okay, and then you can just turn it on. Okay, so when it is turned on and then you want to deactivate, okay, so let me just finish turning it on. So you can see unexpected response from network. Okay, so with the other ones too, you can check. Okay, and then other one that it is possible for you to activate, you can just do that. If in case you want to block all incoming calls or outgoing international roaming, or incoming, or any one of them. Okay, and if you want to deactivate all, just tap on deactivate all and then you enter the password and tap on OK, and then you can see network or SIM card error. Okay, so maybe it may be from your network. Okay, so actually this is how it's all about. You come to this side and then you can just deactivate all. You come to deactivate all and then you enter the password right there. After entering the password, wait for the feedback that it has been deactivated. That's it. If anything, let me know in the comment section and then I will respond you as soon as possible. Stay alive and bye for now.